headed by Mr. Kim Jason M. Bautista, year 2018, San Pablo Colleges Senior High School Department Red Cross Youth actively disseminates the core of Philippine Red Cross through various and voluntary humanitarian acts. Through its first president, Kate Winslet Burgos, RCY SPC manages to conduct introductory seminars to disaster reduction, management, and response. In its succeeding years as the primary first aiders in the school, Mary Joyce Agwell headed the team in responding to the need of uncertainties by joining first aid competitions which they championed. And currently, RCY President-elect Jana May M. Hipolito aims to structure a foundation that will keep its volunteer one during these trying times. Since the pandemic left no one affected, active members and volunteers attend various webinars and virtual engagement to keep the spirit of volunteerism ablaze. This summarizes the embodiment of the three goals, namely disaster management, voluntary service, and welfare. This year, the organization plans to multiply its members by conducting an orientation to senior high school students through the initiative of the father figure, Mr. Kim Jason Bautista, supported by senior high school principal Professor Araceli Ortega, the leadership of Jana May M. Hipolito and their active members. By means of promoting the organization, RCY SPC combined all the past, present, and future activities to showcase in the school's virtual open house 2020. RCY SPC Batch 2021 are composed of President Jana May M. Hipolito, vice-headed by Micaela Yeng Mercado, Secretary Moira Zachary Bellarmino, her Assistant Secretary John Dexter Bulahan, Treasurer Chloe Elisandra Malalad, Alexandra Angeles as Auditor, and Christine Joyce De Jesus as Public Information Officer, and 13 active members and volunteers. Heading them are Mr. Kim Jason M. Bautista, LPT, Ms. Rose Ann Magsino, LPT, Ms. Harleen M. Ascendido, LPT, School Nurse Ket Ann Magdame, and Professor Araceli M. Ortega, Senior High School Principal. And we are SPC Red Cross Youth Volunteers.